are you tough? Ain't gotta ask if I make you nervous. You know I'm heavy, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Queens Nation. Alright, so the movie Felix may come with a confidential speech like Ashima. No, I won't be coming with that. Right. So, y'all may be saying like, why these by yourself or something like that. Well, today Ashima is about to get pranked. So, we're supposed to do truth or dare video today, yeah. Well, very soon and thing, but I ain't be doing that. Like, man, I do it. Period. Man, I do it. So, I asked my stepdad to order fake vampire blood, right? I asked him to do that. So what I'm gonna do is, as we all know, Flo, Garon and all of them, some of them, right? What I'm gonna do is, like, whether the video get up some more is a bathroom or something, put on my pants, or put on pants on or whatever. Well, anyways, what I'm gonna do is, put this in my mouth, fake blood, right? Put it in my mouth, like start cough, say that come up with me if I go outside because I don't want it to just stay in the floor. I want in the video, I just comment Team D down below in the comment section, like the video, share the video, tell a friend, put another friend. We need our channel to grow more, alright? Please, and I just want to say a big thank you to Akeem who helped me to plan this prank. Just want to say a big thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So guys, stay tuned. It's about to go down.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Queens Nation.
Yeah, that's too much.
Alright, anyway, so y'all may be saying why we haven't posted any video. Well, I always say that we always take long, but we don't know the strips. We don't know
It's her fault.
I'm so sorry.
It's her fault.
Guys, I'm sick. Like, I shall catch it soon.
Look here.
Get
Buying it up in the name of Jesus.
yeah. So my nose I run from the other day and my chest hurt me. I have this chest problem from I was in Jamaica. I'm cough a lot. So like, if you don't see me a cough,
No, pray for her. Well, pray for me.
pray for us. All right, ready. So guys, today we're about to do a truth or dare, a truth or dare. So we're gonna get straight to the video because we don't want it to be long, right?
It's already 1 minute.
That's why I said we don't want it to be long. So we're gonna do like five each. So we know.
You
right?
go first, cause right now my mind.
All right, truth or dare.
I'ma say truth. Start off like.
Alright. So if I ask a question, you tell me the truth, or if I ask this. Alright, what if I
You ask me anything you want me for know. You want
we
to
want to
know
know
about
about
me.
you, right?
If I tell the truth, yeah, and if I don't want to tell the truth, I have to go. She gonna
Give me
give
idea.
something for do. Yeah.
Alright.
Same goes for.
What's your sexuality?
Homosexuality.
I don't know.
You don't know homosexuality?
Me in your mind. So you got insight, or should I give you a dare? Give you a dare? Okay, I'm gonna give you a
Wait.
dare.
Alright, remember
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
What is bye? Oh, okay. So y'all here. My turn.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Have you ever ate shit?
Ew. No. Oh! Guys. Okay, I did. But, like, I was when I said they reach 1 year. I wasn't even 1 year old, right?
You're still
See, I know what I do though. When they defecate, right? And the parents like having in the water, right? And the doodle sit up on the bottom, right? And then so I was there. Stop laugh, cause it's not funny. I was there, right? I was there, right? My uncle come and him throw the water in her mouth. Not the doodle itself, the water, like. Wow.
For wash your hand.
You want
And you touch me! And you touch me! Yo, me lock him in the face, man.
be able to talk to them?
The moral of the story is we have 8 dudes.
But I am shit.
Yo, the bottom of my face to spot them. Need to go in.
Eh?
Instead of spot them on my face, need to go in. Yeah. Sorry, I'm gonna do it. I can see again. Your turn. Me just ask you, truth or dare? D.
I was so pissed at the fact that she was yelling at me. Like, I'm trying to help you. I just feel like I needed to say this. Yeah.
What? She a come. Brother, what? How? So do you know? Tell me this. Right? So do you know? Tell me this. Right? You think man an idiot? You think man an idiot? Me knocking on your face, you know.
So, let me see it. You have it there?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
We still have video.
Oh, you know it's a prank.
Because 1, you're going to the kitchen. 1, you're going to the kitchen and you take forever to come back. 2, or you just come back.
But you still get pranked. So, guys, she still get pranked.
Damn. That's God know why me never cry. And why Shauna stay in her bed.
So, guys, You still have it, right?
Yeah, I'm not even
She
gonna.
still got prank and say team D. See, no, take on my phone.
You know, say God, they tell me say it's a prank, and then me I say, no, tell me why they have video this.
So, me no want it. Somebody. What me this? Me no want it stain. Ah! Oh, fuck. So, guys, as I say, Ashima get pranked. Still,
Epic fail, cause
You
me no cry.
So
Me no
you-
cry.
you still
Me
not
no
panic.
panic.
You were panicking.
But me panic. Me say the that I'm not really panicking, you know. And if me dey panic, me da behave the way me dey behave at school when you drop down. That I'm not panicking. Epic fail.
Girl, you're still proud. You're still
Epic
panic.
fail.
You're still panic.
Me no panic. Okay. Look how you make a mess in the house. You better come clean.
Take it to Akeem.
Me mess up my sweater. You too, Akeem? You too? Ah.
Thank you to Akeem who helped me with this prank.
Ah.
Team D. I'm telling when her man Ashima say my aunt for catch my slippery like fish. A sunfish.
That's me don't.
It's a big thumbs up.
Boo. But still
Negativity.
Still like the video.
Negativity.
Still
Like
the
our
video,
video. Right? Tell a friend to another friend. And just share a video.
Nobody act like so you tough. Ain't gotta ask if I make you nervous. You know I'm heavy.